What it do, Plantateers? It is 65 days till the eclipse. Yo, so I'm coming home. It's like midnight in February in Colorado. So you would think snow? Fine. Dry climate? Fine. Rain? Little suspicious, but that could mean a bunch of things. Maybe the planet's healing, or maybe you're too late, Circle K. Bring back the styrofoam. I gotta be honest, I thought that was gonna be funnier than it turned out being. So now I don't know what to do, because I've got all these plants and they're taking up space and they're propagating like crazy. It's raining in February. Like, I'm not actually that stressed out. I have nothing better to say. All right. Well, with nothing better to say, a piece of pizza, a deuces blues, oh, you, and rain too.